Hey guys, Lila's Tools here with another tool haul. Let's get right into it. So today we've got new items and used items. We'll go over a couple, we'll sort of do a mix in between, go through everything. Right here I have the Empire Model 4004. This is a 48-inch level ruler. Sadly it is made there, but yeah, just go across here with you. You can see how big it is. It's on sale, and I wanted to get a full set of the Empire rulers. Could go Mitutoyo or Starrett, but I'm not in a machine shop, and those are a bit expensive for me. And these will do just fine for what I need. So there's that guy. It's about $15 on sale. Not too bad. Just set that guy off to the side here. Up here that was holding it for the thumbnail, we have a brand new unopened pack of 630 seconds by 2-inch machine screws. I think they were $3.50 for them. Let's see. These are about $10 in the store, so that was a good deal. These are brand new, but they are a used item. A few more bits of hardware over here. Let's see what's in here. These are number 12 by 1/2 inch little flathead screws. I like to get sort of new old stock flathead screws when I can find them for when I'm building things that I want to look old or restoring old things. You see these are $2. The Habitat for Humanity. I also picked up these guys. These were $3. These are 5/16 24 by 5/8. You see with their socket head cap screws. There they are. And of course we picked up another bearing because I love bearings. There's this guy. Brand new Timken roller, like needle bearing, caged needle bearing. So there's that guy. Get it back together proper after. Okay, and let's just go over a few more things that are kind of out of shot. Look at these old beauties. It's a pair of needle nose pliers with a spring, and these are from Crescent, USA. These aren't old, I can tell because it is. In fact, these are etched, but they are USA made. Picked them up, about $1. And right here, this was a bit of a find. No idea what happened here. This is a 24-ounce dead blow hammer in here inside there, but it is a brass face. Any sort of hammer with a brass face is not cheap, so I now have a brass hammer. I'm not sure if this was chipped out. It kind of looks like it's cracked. I don't know, but it was $3. So there we go. And let's go over these utility knives here. Here we have a Stanley Model 99E. It's no made in on this, but it should be made in Canada or USA. Works good. So there's that guy. This is a find. This I'm going to clean up for sure. This is an old Wiss utility knife. Oh, wobbly in the joints, but that's how a lot of these old knives are. And another old utility knife. This is a Fuller Canada, obviously made in Canada. So there's that guy. Pardon me. Might as well just get this stuff out of the way. Here we have a little hand hacksaw. I believe this is aluminum. Yeah, aluminum, not steel. A blade. This is just a little hacksaw blade holder handle. Made in Canada. It's $3. This is a Sandvik. Very cool. You would have seen one of my last hauls. I got a Fuller wrench, double opening. This is a 3/4 7/8. You can see here. You can see it proper. I don't know if you can make that out. It says KTC. Can we get you in a better viewage? Come on. You can sort of make that out. It says KTC in the circle there in Japan. So this is a time when Fuller was having their tools made by Kyoto Tool Company in Japan. That's quite nice tools. So there's that guy, and this is in great condition. Really nice. One other wrench. This is a Fleet of Canada. Nice old wrench, in great condition as well. This isn't anything special, but it's just neat to add to the collection. This is a Stihl branded little screwdriver for adjusting your chainsaws and weed whackers and the like. This is the used find of the day. Look at this. Diamond Cock Horseshoe Company, Duluth, Minnesota. Now, you diamond guys, tell me whenabouts you think this was made. Because I know they stopped putting the Diamond Horseshoe Company on pretty early, but I also didn't realize this said Dimaloy, which they put on later. So is this somewhere in the middle ground? Is this 50s? Still works good. I don't think this was used too much. I mean, I think it was used, but it wasn't used as a hammer. It's, you know, rounded off a few bolts. A good old Saskatchewan socket wrench. There's that guy. This isn't anything special. This is just a Husky acetate handle. This looks like China or Taiwan, but I like this square shaft. It's just neat. 50 cents or whatever. This guy here, wood handle screwdriver. Ferrules going everywhere. It had on here number 324. So if you guys have any idea about that. I just thought the overall in pretty decent condition is to clean up nice for the collection. Pardon me. Here we have a more modern gray tools. This will be made in Canada most likely. There was a small time when Gray and Bonnie were sort of collaborating, and some of the stuff was Gray USA. It's very interesting. So it could be USA, but I believe with this logo, this is like a modern logo. It's most likely Canada. And it's just a Phillips #1 in serviceable condition. Not perfect though. Just before this falls out of frame. This looks like a... I'm not sure if it's a Phillips 3 or a Phillips 4. I can let you know. Hold on. Here we have a Phillips 3 screw. That's a nice fit. So this is a Phillips 3 bit with the wings on it. I believe I have a few handles that will take this. I just grabbed that. It's like pretty much free with everything else. There's that. A few used sockets to go over. This is just a Jet Taiwanese, but it is a 12-point 13/16 spark plug wrench. Great condition. Here we have a Herbrand. You guys can see that. It's very light, but it's a Herbrand Canada. Throat's bothering me tonight. 18mm, 3/8 6-point. Great condition. Here is we got a few of these. This is a Husky USA. It's a 5/8 12-point. Here we have, this is interesting, a Sears forged alloy 7/16 Japan, and then has a EF. It is a 6.3H drive. Here we have an old beautiful SK. My finger there, sorry about that. See it there. This is a 5/16 quarter drive 6-point. See, you can't see through there. It's right solid. So these won't fit on the sockets right here. And then I'll show this now, I guess. I did get one brand new socket. This is a Proto 3/8 drive quarter 6-point shallow. And that will populate the socket tray right there. Replace a junky China one I had. It's not something common you'd use, but I like to have it. This is a Husky USA. 3/16. This is a Husky USA 5/32. I didn't need these for any sets, but it's always nice to have. Here's something interesting. Look at this, Napa USA. And we have part number NM606. This is a 3/16 quarter 6-point. Never seen a Napa USA socket, so that's cool. This is another Napa USA. The part number on this one is NM611. This is 11/32 6-point. And two more. We have a different font, Husky. See, 11/32 USA. And another different font, same font as some of the other ones. This is a 3/8 Husky USA 6-point. So there's those guys. One more new socket. Going right back here. This is a 25mm 1/2-inch drive shallow impact from Milwaukee. Professionally made in China. But for the price and warranty and quality, it's hard to beat, honestly. Can we get this off here? Can you use the new old crescents? Does that work? Look at that. Nifty. But yeah, that guy goes right there. You see him on there. Okay, and of course, we picked up another Hansen socket tray. You would have saw I originally got a 1/2 inch in the neon orange. This one is in green. This is going to be for my 12-point 1/4 inch SAE sockets. Let's just get that out of the way. Also picked up a new Wera. This is the 932A, and it is a 4.5 mil slotted with a striking cap and a hex bolster. I love using screwdrivers as pry bars and chisels, and this one is meant for it. And I'm going to use this a lot, and if this gets really messed up, and if it fails in a way that I don't see fit, I might try out Wera's warranty, and we'll see how that is. So there's that guy. Long day, a lot of walking. Had to go with my grandma and help her find some lights for her house and chandeliers and stuff she's looking for. She's old school like that, and she wanted them on a budget. So we went to the Habitat for Humanity to find them, and we did find one, but it's a lot of walking, and we went to multiple stores and all that. That's where my used stuff is from today, and my new stuff's all from KMS Tools. So here we have the Neiko Quick Chains Industrial Quality Wire Brush Set. 38 pieces, part number 002358A. This will run you 33 Canadian dollars. The case is high density polyethylene. I think we might have a few loose pieces, but let's check it out. Also, $33, just in case you don't know, or if you go there and that's not the price. That is if you are a member of KMS Tools. It doesn't cost you anything. You just have to give your name and phone number. There it is. Oh, nice. We get a thing of silicate gel. That's always good. So it shows you everything it comes with there. Brush sizes. And there's our gel. Are these marked? How do you know where they go? I guess you kind of got to keep them organized, or they're just going to go all over the darn place, aren't they? Anyway, you can see what we have here. We have nylon, stainless, and brass. If you guys didn't know, these aren't actually brass because they are magnetic. They are steel, but they are like brass plated. Just like you can gold plate something doesn't mean it's made out of gold. It comes with this little bit holder handle. Nothing fancy. How does it hold a bit? Alright, it's locking. Quite a bit of slop. It does work though, and I mean this would definitely work for using the wire brushes by hand. I got this set for using in the drill though. So there's that, and there's supposed to be an extension. Come on, over there. There. So nice, you get an extension. So there's that. I was reading on the packaging here, and some of the things they say you can do with it. Cleaning EGR ports, corroded lights always, battery terminal clamps, cylinder head bolt holes, oxidized aluminum rims, and bead sealing area, etc., etc., etc. There's more info. I got these for anything I see fit, but a lot for cleaning up the insides of old sockets and tools, just in general, for restoring tools, because I have a lot of old tools. So that's what I got this set for. I'll give you an update at some point on how they hold up, if they wear well, and I wear out the ones I use frequently or whatnot. I probably will buy another set. If they are complete bogus and complete junk, I will not buy them again, and I will let you know that they are complete junk. So there's that. Decent case. Plastic latches. They will break eventually. You could also, of course, cut this lid off It is just a plastic hinge. You can cut that off and sit this in your toolbox or whatever. So there you go. And last item we have is this here. This is the Uvex, or Uvex, however you want to say it, Bionic Shield. And, well, as I was just saying, I restore a lot of tools. Videos on those will come one day. If you guys know editing is hard, I might just start by doing some videos just like straight up, just no edits in them. We'll see. This is a part number S8500, and Uvex is a Honeywell company, and Honeywell is a 3M company. Correct me if I'm wrong. So, good stuff. Let's pull this guy out of here. So just box. So what we get in here, we get a mask with a piece of plastic stuck in it. That out of there. This does have a protective coating on it, so this will be completely clear. There that is. It's like a welding mask. And you also get here in this bag. I don't want to rip the wrong part because it doesn't have instructions in case I struggle. You know we can struggle, like the Ryobi video. So, as you can tell, this goes on your head. It's like a hard hat, adjustable. It's quite tight. It's nice and heavy duty. Push in, turn, and it locks, so you can't turn it again. I'm going to adjust it for my big head. And it looks like... I'm not exactly sure, but you guys get the gist of it. It's a face shield. It'll run you about $30 on sale. And for wire brushing, grinding, all sorts of the nasty things we do, restoring tools, I think it is a must-have. Luckily, I wear glasses, which not safety glasses, but just glasses, and I've had pieces of wire wheel like that there come off and literally impregnate and stick right into my glasses. So just think if I wasn't wearing those glasses. So I just wanted this just for the extra protection. You know, you can, use impacts right next to your head and go deaf. You can weld and go blind. But you could also get something thrown in your eye, or you weld and go blind. But I mean, you're pretty stupid if you do that. But you can also just be doing something pretty basic in the shop, using a cutting disc on an angle grinder, and it blows up because you didn't buy a good one, or there's a manufacturer defect, you never know, and all of a sudden you're blind, and there's no fixing that. So, I'm still young and I want to protect my eyes, so I can keep making videos for you guys. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for all the new subscribers. I really appreciate y'all. And yeah, that's about it. So guys, take it easy.